Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really creepy looking siren head. So here is my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this creepy looking character. So here's my sketch underneath. So to begin with, draw in kind of like the siren area, and this will also be his mouth. So we just gotta draw in one big oval. And then from this oval, just come to here. Let's draw a little curve. And then on the bottom, curve up. I'm just gonna stop right here. Okay, I know it looks a little bit strange. So let's draw in the, for the little tip here. Just go up. Come back down. Just kind of go past that for now. And then on the other side, just come down, and I'll just stop right there first. And now for one more in the back, and this one's gonna be facing the rear, so it's gonna be slightly different. So just come here, curve, curve. So curve up, curve down. And then now I'm gonna round it out this way. Alright, so now that we have the overall shape, let's go ahead and draw in the mouth on this side. So we won't see this one because this one's facing the rear. Okay, so in here, just gotta draw another oval. Try to keep this simple. And then for the teeth, just drawing 2 lines like this, or 2 curves. And then just drawing some lines here for the upper teeth. Same thing on the bottom. And let me shade this in real quick so we can see this a little bit better. So this will be the inside of the face, or inside the mouth. Okay, so once we have this, now we can move on to the rest of the body. So we're gonna come down here, and this part is gonna be almost like little, almost looks like little vines and stuff coming down. So I'm gonna start on the inside here. Let's draw a little curve. Continue this. Just follow that curve, come down. Just close it off like this, extend it out. So this will actually be the collarbone. Okay, come back up here. Come down like this with a little curve, And then here's the collarbone for the other side. I know it's very strange, but again, it's a very strange looking character. And then one more here, come down. So that's gonna be the whole neck area. So now let's draw on the shoulders. I'm just gonna come out on both sides. All right, and let's draw in the rib cage and it'll make a little bit more sense. So I'm gonna come down here, you make two little points. This curve. Here's the middle of this, just come up. And now just kind of round it out. So that's gonna be the rib cage, and we're adding some lines right here. So just follow the same curve. All right, and let's go ahead and finish up the body right here. And this one's gonna be very skinny. So just curve in. And we can add in some details just to make it look creepy. All right, so that's the upper body, and now let's join the arms. And the arms are pretty much like skeletal arms. So I'm gonna start on the top right here. Just come down with a curve. Here's the armpit. And then to break it off, and this will be kind of like the elbow, just kind of round it out. Okay, and then for the lower arm, it's a little joint here, bracket. Curve down like this, so it's almost like a bone. And then right here, just round it out. So it's pretty much like a skeleton. And then now for his hand, come down, just one little hook like this for the thumb. One line here for the inside of the palm. Here's the back of the palm. Okay, so open space right here, and now I can join the fingers. So I'm gonna curve down on this one. Just come back up, nice and skinny. Right in the middle here, curve, and then just kind of curve and connect to that. So it's gonna be another finger and one more. And just kind of tuck it right behind this one. Okay, so now let's draw on the other one. So again, here's the shoulder, curve, armpit, and then just kind of round it out. So this one's gonna be going up. So I'm gonna draw a little bracket like this. Extend it up, and then just close it off like this first. All right, and then now for the hand, for the thumb, just come down. Here's the inside of the palm. Here's the back of the palm. And then now for his finger, we'll just extend this, round it out, and just come back and connect to the palm. Okay, for the other finger, curve and then just go back up. And let's draw one more. So this one's gonna be a smaller, just right behind there. Okay, so let's draw in his legs. So his legs are pretty much gonna be the same as these, kind of like a skeleton. So right in the middle, just gonna add a little curve first. And now for the hip. Okay, curve, same thing here, just pinch it in, and then again, just round it out. It's gonna be a joint. Curve in, nice and skinny here. Same thing here, just round it out. Okay, and then the bottom. Okay, bracket, just like that. Pinch it in again, and then again, just draw a little, almost like a little ball at the end. Bracket. All right, and then now for the foot, bracket here. From the top, go out, and then just keep going. So we're gonna keep this simple. It's gonna be similar to the hand. So on the bottom, There's one digit in the middle of this. One more. And then continue this, and then just come back in. Just tuck it right behind the middle one. Okay, so same thing here. I'm gonna draw the back first. On the top, just go out. Same thing on the bottom. One digit. Find the middle of this. Right behind this, and then one more. Alright, so that's the overall body, and if you want to add in a little bit more detail just to make it look like those vines and make it look creepier, you can just add in some of these little lines like this. Even up here. Just add in some lines. Alright, so that is it for this very strange looking siren head. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.